Juicy beef wrapped around delicate enoki mushrooms, glazed in a sweet, savoury sauce. These beef enoki rolls are an umami flavour bomb waiting to explode in your mouth. First, trim the roots off your enoki mushrooms and separate them into little bundles. Take a slice of thinly sliced beef and lay it flat on a plate. Place a bundle of mushrooms at one end, then roll it up tightly. Repeat until all your beef is rolled and ready to go. Now for the sauce. Mix together soy sauce, water, mirin, sugar, and a touch of minced garlic. Stir it well until the sugar dissolves. Heat a little oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and stir fry for a minute. Then place the rolls seam side down and pour in that flavour-packed sauce and let it simmer. Cover with a lid and cook for a few more minutes until the beef is tender and the sauce thickens into a glossy glaze. Plate the rolls, drizzle the rich sauce, and finish with a sprinkle of scallions and toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, beef enoki rolls, tender, flavour-packed and absolutely irresistible.